Happy morning, children. Welcome to the second standard ICSE mathematics class. Today we are going to see the new topic, very interesting one, unit 5, geometry. So in this geometry lesson we are going to see the subtopics as follows. First one is the flat shapes. Second one is solid shapes. Third one is rolling object and the sliding object. Fourth one is straight line and the curved lines. Now book page number 69, we have a warm-up section for the geometry lesson. So join the figures with the shape. The left side we have one cube and one ball is there, and right side we have a number blocks and one fruit is there. So match the object with the shadows. So cube, the shape of a cube, and the number blocks in the shape of the cube. Next one is a ball and the fruit which is in the shape of the sphere. So you can match the shapes. Coming to the next picture, candle on the left side, bricks and one Christmas tree. And the right side we have a bucket, birthday cap and the water bottle. The first is cylinder shape, candle in the cylinder shape, bucket in the cylinder shape and water bottle in the cylinder shape. Bricks in the cuboid and a birthday cone as well as the Christmas tree. Both are in the shape of a cone. So coming to the next picture, so similarly you can complete the whole page. In the same page itself we have how many of each shape do you see in the picture above. So after matching we have to see the number of objects which is in the shape. So first one is a sphere. How many sphere is there? One ball and the orange we have 2. And cube, we have a number block and the cube box, that is 2. Cylinder, we have a candle, bucket and the water bottle, we have 3. Next cone, birthday cone and the Christmas cap, and the bricks in the shape of a cuboid. Now we have a page number 70, flat shapes. Children, we should know the shape as well as the spelling of the shape also. Many of you doesn't know the spelling. You have to learn the spelling thoroughly. Okay, children. So first one is a triangle. Tri means 3. So triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. A purple color, one triangle is given here. The corner, the tip is called a corner. The side line we will call it as a side. So it has a 3 side and 3 corners. Coming to the rectangle, green in color. A rectangle has 4 side, 4 corners. Look at the picture. And the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. Look at the side. The opposite sides, both the sides are in a equal. Okay, children. Coming to the square. Square has a 4 side, 4 corners. All the sides of the square are equal in shape. Next one is a circle. Circle does not have side or a corner. Corner means it should be ending point or starting point, but the circle has not any side or corners. Then oval shape, both are the same, like an oval does not have a side or corner. When you want to draw the circle or the oval, we have to draw the curved line which is used to called as a curved line. Next, coming to the exercise 5.1, draw the given shapes on the dot grids. They given a dotted grid. We have to draw the shape. First shape is triangle. Second one is a square. Third one is a rectangle. Then the page number 71 we have how many corners and the sides does the flat shape have. The first shape they given here is a square. Square has a 4 sides and 4 corners. Second one is a rectangle. Rectangle has a 4 sides and 4 corners. Then third one is a triangle. Triangle has 3 corners and the 3 sides. As we read before the flat shapes, you have to remember the things and you have to write the columns. Next shape is circle and the oval. As I said, circle and the oval has no corners and no sides. Coming to the solid shapes. Now we read about flat shapes. Coming to the solid shapes. Look at these objects and these are all solid shapes. A cube box is given, brick in the shape of a cuboid, sphere like a ball, cylinder they given a candle, cone they given a birthday cap as an example. So the solid shape has length, width and the height. It has faces, edges and corners. The surface of the solid shapes called a face. 2 faces meeting point in an edge. 2 or more edges meeting is the corners. Look at the figure here. Cube is given blue in color. So face in the shape of a square. Okay, edge means the 2 faces meeting point we will call it as edge and 3 faces meeting point we will call it as a corner. Coming to the second is shape cuboid. Cuboid also face, edge and corners. And sphere has a face and it does not have a edge. It has only one face and it does not have a corner also. The next shape is a cylinder. Look at the cylinder here, green in color. It has a edge and one face. Cylinder has faces, it has edge and it does not have corners. So very important. Okay, next coming to the cone. Cone has a face, corner and the edge also. So it has a face, one corner and one edge. So these are all the few solid shapes in our book is given. Now book page number 73 we have a checkpoint. Circle this similar to the object. So ball in the shape of which is similar in object 2D shape and the 3D shape, that is a flat and the solid shapes. So ball in the shape of a flat shape is circle. Box in the shape of a square and one box is there that is also in the shape of a rectangle and one burger is there that is in the shape of a triangle. That's it children, we completed the today's section. So today class we read about the solid shapes and the flat shapes. You must learn about the spelling of the shapes first and you should know to draw the shape, all the shapes. It may be the solid one or it may be the flat shape. So let us go to the exercise in the next section with the coloring things, rolling and the sliding object in the next class. Thank you children. Stay home and stay safe.